This pickup truck can power an entire construction site without a generator, not just charge your phone, not just run a fridge. We're talking angle grinders, cement mixers, floodlights, all from the load bed. That's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and it's rewriting what a plug-in hybrid pickup can actually do. Here's the thing most people miss. Most plug-in hybrids are about saving fuel and looking green. This one is about giving you a portable power station with 70 liters of fuel backing it up, 6.9 kilowatts of Pro Power Onboard, 3 outlets, 2 in the load bed, 1 in the cabin. You show up to a job site, plug in your tools, and the truck becomes the generator. But wait until you hear how it drives. 207 kilowatts of combined power, 697 newton-meters of torque. That's more torque than the 3.0-liter V6 diesel, and it hits instantly because of the electric motor. The drivetrain switches between pure electric, petrol, or hybrid depending on what you're doing. You don't think about it, it just works. 0 to highway speeds feels like you're being shoved from behind. Smooth, relentless, no turbo lag. Here's where it gets interesting. This thing tows 3,500 kilograms. Full stop. Same as the diesel. 1 metric ton payload rating. Same weighting depth of 800 millimeters. Ford's engineers completely re-engineered the rear frame rails to fit the 11.8 kilowatt-hour battery without compromising anything. Most plug-in hybrids are compromises. This one isn't. The battery gives you 43 kilometers of pure electric range. That's enough for most daily commutes. Ford says more than half of Ranger owners drive less than 40 kilometers per day. So you could spend weeks running this as a pure electric vehicle if you plug it in every night. And when the battery's empty, hit EV charge mode. The petrol engine becomes a generator and refills the battery while you drive, or while you're parked at a campsite powering your gear. It's like carrying a generator with a 70-liter fuel tank that also drives you around. The Wildtrak spec adds matrix LED headlights, 360-degree zone lighting, heated seats and steering wheel, and a 10-speaker B&O sound system. Inside, you get a 12-inch vertical touchscreen with Sync 4A, wireless charging, and an 8-inch digital cluster. Off-road, it climbs 60% grades in 4 auto mode on electric power alone. The petrol engine only kicks in when it's actually needed. Hill descent control is smooth and quiet, adjustable in 1 km/h increments. The electronic 4-wheel drive system sends power to all 4 wheels automatically. Dual range transfer case, locking rear differential. It's a proper 4x4 system, not some all-wheel drive crossover setup. Now here's the part that might surprise you. Starting price in Switzerland is 51,300 Swiss francs, leasing from 320 Swiss francs per month. For a pickup that replaces your generator, drives like a sports truck, tows like a diesel, and runs 43 kilometers on electricity. That's not premium, that's smart. So yeah, this is the first plug-in hybrid pickup that doesn't ask you to compromise anything. And next time, we're looking at something that takes luxury off-roading to a completely different level. You'll want to see what happens when Range Rover money meets actual capability. Drop a comment if you'd actually use that Pro Power feature, or if it's just a gimmick. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.